We're unboxing this new professional condenser microphone off of Amazon we just got today. So let's see what it looks like. Pull this thing down. Looks like a lot of stuff. Looks like a wiring diagram. Live SARD count user manual. Blah, blah, blah. Some other literature. This is the hookup cord for the microphone. One end of it's looks like a 3.5, and this one's the other end of it. Packs of stuff. Those look like earphones there. Yeah, earbuds. Here's the noise baffler thing. I'll put it up here. There's various cords that come with it to hook it up. All three there. And here is the sound card part. Looks like really nice. Got all the hookups and stuff. Looks really good. There's a clamp for the arm that goes on the table. My dog's barking. I ought to kick her butt, but that's all right. She's just a dog. She don't know any better. Here's the holder for the microphone. It goes on the boom arm. It's plastic. There's metal on it down here where it adjusts. That looks pretty good. And here's the boom arm that goes into that clips on the desk edge. Looks pretty good. The thing slips on the end of it that clips on your desk right there. And here's the best thing, the microphone. This is a cardioid directional microphone. Looks good, looks real clean. Of course, it's new, it ought to look clean, but it looks like it's a good one. And it goes into this thing right here. One way or the other. Let's see. It's supposed to slip in here. It does. I just don't know how to do it, but it goes in there like that. Okay. And here's the sound muff that goes over the microphone. Keeps the outside noises to a minimum. Real nice. It goes over the end of it. And that's about it. The end, as they say.